Hello everyone and welcome back to our series, How to Answer Your Research Defense Questions. Our next question is, what is the research gap of your study? So a research gap is a question that has not yet been answered by any other study. A question that has not yet been answered by any other studies. That is why it's called the gap. So napakaraming klase ng research gap. Okay? Isa na dito yung pinaka-common, yung knowledge gap, method, theory. Pero karaniwan, ang ginagamit is knowledge gap. Ano yung bagong kaalaman na makukuha doon sa inyong study? So how do you answer this question? You present the local of your study and related literature and studies proving na wala pang nakakagawa ng ganong study doon sa lugar kung saan nyo i-conduct ang inyong research. And you have to back that up with literature and studies.